Hey guys, one of the big questions we see at Met Fitness is people want to know, can I regain some muscle that I've lost over the years, or can I rebuild the strength that I seem to have lost because I don't feel so good about it right now? Well, we discovered in the 80s at Tufts University some of the research led by Dr. Bill Evans at the time. He's now at Duke University, but he revealed that we can always rebuild muscle. We can always regain strength. This is related to what scientists call muscle responsiveness. Muscles are always responsive to a productive training stimulus like strength training. What Dr. Evans discovered is that a lot of people make the mistake of not working hard enough, especially as they age. They feel like they shouldn't work hard, but in this case, taking that evidence-based approach, it's safe to work hard. So yes, you can gain the strength back. You can gain a lot of the muscle back if you train hard enough in your strength workout. So at the end of the day, here's the take-home message. If you're not dead, you can regain strength. Good news for all of us, whether or not we're living the strength training lifestyle. This is day 495 of Train Like a Champion.